When it comes to weight loss strategies, the one thing that you should be prepared for is disappointment. There are many different techniques, tricks, and tips out there which say they can help you get the body of your dreams. But what most people forget is that these programs are bound to fail for them because of their large appetites. How can you lose weight if you keep eating and that too weigh more than your body requires? Eat, Sleep, Burn is a unique approach to weight loss. The special program targets restorative sleep to enable one to melt down excess pounds. Eat, Sleep, Burn PDF is one program which focuses on this aspect. It helps users lose weight by means of tapping into the rule of eating only as much as needed. Eat, Sleep, Burn is a product which helps lose the arrogant fat that is found deposited around the belly, thighs, buttocks and the arms. This program uses a science-backed approach to eliminate extra weight by controlling the production of key hormones. There is no promotion of any harmful diet or another such thing. In fact, users are only supposed to correct your sleep. By sleeping well, you are able to lose weight as your appetite is contracted. This is what Eat, Sleep, Burn ebook encourages. Other than weight loss, sleep fulfillment also boosts energy levels and reduces the risk of a number of ailments including depression, cardiovascular disease. Eat, Sleep, Burn is a great approach to weight loss, focuses on restorative sleep and the appetite controlling benefits it has by making hormonal production optimal. Eat, Sleep, Burn plan will help you to make health more healthy in any way and is safe to follow. Get it now.